This is the master ensuite in this project. The bathroom before was very old and dated, so what we wanted to do is keep the plumbing relatively in the same locations, but strip it all out and start again. The brief for this job was to create an industrial modern look, and that's exactly what we've done. So our main features in the space are this freestanding Victorian Albert bath, which sits pride of place underneath the window. Behind that we have our frameless shower, and tucked in around the corner is our toilet, so you've got plenty of privacy. The vanity is a double vanity. On top of it sits two Vivo on-counter basins on top of our custom-made concrete bench top and custom-made timber veneer vanity. So as you can see, we've tried to bring in some warmth into the space because it is predominantly grey and white, so the timber does that immediately, as well as our leather pull handles. The tiles are also a great feature in this space. They are all porcelain, which means there's no ceiling required, and they're really easy to maintain over the lifespan of this bathroom. On the floor and behind the vanity wall, we've carried through with the same tile. This is a terrazzo look tile, but as I said, it's porcelain, so you have no maintenance with it. On the wall behind the bath and the shower, we've used a different tile in the same range, just in a lighter colour, just to create a bit more of a contrast. And on the remaining walls, we have an undulated subway tile, which we've laid in a vertical stack pattern. So what we've done with the tapware is we've selected a brushed gunmetal finish. Rather than going for a polished chrome or a matte black, we wanted something a bit softer but still grounded the space. So overall, the client is really happy with their space. You can imagine lounging back in this bath and enjoying a nice wine of an evening. This is the main bathroom in this home. This room is used by 3 teenage boys. So the brief was to make it masculine looking but still soft, because it is still part of the family home. The existing layout was a 3-way bathroom, which means the vanity was separate, toilet separate, and then the bath and shower. The client loved the way that worked for a working family, so we kept it that way. We stripped everything out and we started again. In this room, this is called the wet zone. So in this room, what we've done is put in an amazing freestanding bath, which is a stone bath, so it has a beautiful finish and texture to the surface. In this corner here, we've got an oversized shower which has frameless glass, so it doesn't enclose the space at all. We've incorporated this recessed niche, which is going to be perfect for shampoos, conditioners, and for a bit of display as well, as you can see with the greenery we've got here. The tapware and accessories are all in a matte black finish, so that creates that masculine look, but it's still not too heavy for the space. The tiles, we've kept it very simple, using the same floor and wall tiles on 3 of the walls, and then the back wall is in this amazing denim coloured mosaic, which is made out of frosted glass. These are heated towel bars. We didn't have a lot of space here, so rather than going horizontal, we kept with a vertical selection. That way the towels just drape over them and they're not encroaching into the door space or the bath space. This here is the vanity space. So this is where the boys can get ready in the morning and of an evening. Custom made concrete bench top, which is going to be very hardy and have lots of longevity, which is very important for teenagers. Underneath it, we have a custom-made timber vanity, as well as this beautiful little shelf here, so colognes and aftershaves can be on display. So we've got wall-to-wall mirror cabinetry, which stores a lot of toiletry storage, as well as these 2 deep drawers, which is more storage again, and our bath towel shelf underneath. The finishes in here relate to the other spaces, so we continued our matte black finishes for our tapware and our accessories. The basin here really grounds this vanity space. This is made from a stone material, so it's got this black speckled finish, which adds another layer of texture to the space. The tiles continue through all of the areas, so the floor continues straight through underneath our vanity. The denim dots tile, this is that frosted glass mosaic, that continues up the entire vanity wall and just sets a beautiful backdrop to this space. In this area here is our toilet, so it's got complete privacy. Again, the floor tiles are flowing through. All of our finishes are in the matte black finish so that there's cohesion between the 3 areas of this bathroom.